Hey guys, my name's Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. So the company Hippie reached out to me and sent me a few of their products to try out. They sent me their acrylic paint set that comes with 20 colors, and they also sent me their epoxy resin and their mica powders that come with 24 colors. And you can purchase all of their products on their website hippiecrafter.com or on Amazon, and I'll link all of these products down in the description box. For today's video, I'm going to be trying out their mica powder and the resin, and I'm going to make a really beginner-friendly checkerboard. So let's get into it. Before we start, if you ever work with epoxy resin, please make sure to always wear gloves and a mask. You really don't want to breathe in these fumes, and I'll link the mask that I use down in the description box. Anyways, I'm starting off by measuring out about 55 grams of the epoxy resin, and then I'm going to add in about 55 grams of the epoxy hardener, and then I'm going to mix this together really well. I'm adding in Hippie Crafter's mica powder in the color Rose. My checker mold came with this little mold set that's for like pieces of a different game, so these aren't supposed to be used for checkers, but I really liked their shape, so I'm going to use these as my checker pieces. And I'm going to fill up 12 of these. With the rest of my epoxy resin, I'm going to start filling up my checkerboard. And don't worry if you spill a little bit, because we can always go back and clean that up. Using a little toothpick, I'm spreading out the resin to make sure that it really covers up the entire square that it's in. With a Q-tip, I'm going in and cleaning up some of my spills. For the resin spills that aren't touching resin that's in a square that I need, I'm just going to leave those and peel them off later. I'm going in with a lighter and I'm popping the little air bubbles, and I did the same thing with my checker pieces, but I just forgot to film it. Now I'm going to let this set for a few hours. It's been about 12 hours and the resin is hard to touch, so I'm going to demold my checker pieces. And you guys, this color is so pretty. According to the instructions, you can add on your second layer of resin after about 4 to 10 hours of letting your first coat dry. For me, it's been about 12 hours, but before I add in more resin, I'm going to peel off the little spills that I had, and it just comes off so easily. For these next squares, I'm adding in these little dried baby breaths flowers. Off camera, I mixed together 50 grams of the epoxy resin and 50 grams of the epoxy hardener, and so I'm just filling up my squares. I'm also making sure to fill up the border of the checkerboard. And then I'm spreading out the resin to make sure that it fully covers each square that it's in. I'm going in with my lighter to pop as many air bubbles as I can, and when you do this part, make sure that you don't linger on a square too long because you don't want to burn your resin. Now I'm going in and adding my dried flowers. I'm using a little toothpick to really push the dried flowers into the resin and to kind of like move it where I want it to go. I'm also adding in some dried flowers around the border of the checkerboard. Okay, so this looks pretty good to me now, so I'm gonna let this dry for about 12 hours and then I'm gonna go in with my last layer of resin. For this next layer of resin, I mixed together 100 grams of the epoxy resin and 100 grams of the resin hardener, and it wasn't enough, so I ended up doing a total of like 200 grams of the epoxy resin and 200 grams of the resin hardener. And then I added in Hippie Crafter's mica powder in the color Silk White. I'm filling in my checker pieces here and make sure to do 12. With a spoon, I'm taking off some of the extra resin that's on top of a few of the pieces. I'm going in with my lighter again to pop the air bubbles on top, and then I'm going to set these aside to let them set. With the rest of my resin, I'm going to fill up the back of my checkerboard and make sure that the resin covers everything. I'm going in with my lighter to pop the air bubbles. It's been about 12 hours, so my checker pieces are hard to touch, so I'm going to demold these, and according to the instructions, the resin should be fully cured within 7 days. You guys, the Silk White really does look like silk, and it looks like my little dried flowers have silk behind them. It's so pretty. I made this one for my mom because she likes like really strong colors, like a strong pink, but me, I like light colors or like dusty colors. So I made another one basically exactly the same, but with a light pink for myself. And if you want to try to make the light pink version, the only thing that I did different was that I used the mica powder in the color Rose, and then I added in some of the Silk White to it. And then I also added in some of the mica powder in the color Light Yellow to keep it on the warmer side of pink rather than a cooler toned pink. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really did end up liking Hippie Crafter's resin and their mica powders, and they gave me a discount code which is Hippie10 just in case you guys wanted to try out any of their products. You could use that on their website. I'm not sure if it'll work on Amazon, but you could try it. And yeah guys, subscribe for more DIYs and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!